Hello guys, you're welcome to a brand new episode of Spilling It with Chrissy Jane. So today let's talk about what aircraft use as fuel. Okay, we all are aware that cars and motorcycles and every other road vehicles make use of petrol as their fuel. So what do aircraft use? I'm glad to let you know that aircraft make use of kerosene as fuel. Many of these aircraft, like airplanes and aeroplanes, based on their specifications and physical qualities, make use of certain kerosene-based solutions. So the fuel that